Hi friends, Bill here from Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. I'm sitting in my Ford Maverick Hybrid and I love this vehicle, and the interior is so nice with this Lariat package. However, there's some room for improvement because I don't want anything to scratch up the key storage areas in this center console. So why don't you jump on in the car with me and I'll show you how we're going to fix that. So we're inside the vehicle, and this center console space is really, really nice. There's room for a little bit of everything, including things that I've never carried with me before, didn't know I needed to. But one of the things that is always with me wherever I go is a big glass of water. And in this case, this cup is pretty hard. And so when you go to set it down in the center console area, especially while you're driving, a very real possibility exists that you could be scraping up some of the storage areas. And I don't want to do that. This is my baby. I love this car. So I went out to look for some solution to all of this, and I think we have it here. We're going to look at it together and apply it, because this is supposed to be perfectly fit and molded as a silicone protector to go right into the cup holders and into one of the coin storage bins here in the car. So we take this, we lay it right into the space, we tap it down in, and now in the same area, fitting right over top of the exact same holder space, we can take the cup, set it right back down in here. The holder stays down, everything is solid, and now we're protected around the edges without losing any of our cup holder storage space. So there's a simple solution for better protecting the inside of your car in those areas where you're kind of clanging around with some of the harder surface items that you use every time you travel. Thanks for watching us here on Bill's Tech Tips. I hope you'll subscribe and let us know your thoughts about this simple solution.